Welcome back to another episode of I'm making 3 budget dinners because what? These groceries are just too daggone high. All right, y'all. So we're going to start off with some taco chicken. We're going to be using some drumsticks. Here you can see the ingredients that I have from Aldi. So you're going to season your chicken with the taco seasoning. Make sure that you rub it in and you get every single crevice just, loaded up with that taco seasoning because we want it to taste delicious. You're going to pop it into the oven. It's going to come out like this. You're going to serve it with some avocado on top as well as some yellow rice. And it's boom. It's a delicious meal and it's easy. And what? It was like what, y'all? What? $10? Next up, we have some dirty rice, a very simple meal. This is a great meal if you're just, tired, you've had a long day at work, the kids are, irking your nerves. A great way just to get dinner on the table within about 30 minutes. So this is what it's going to look like once it's all done. You can serve it up with a salad. I chose green beans, which are not pictured here, but to definitely include it in the overall cost, which equals $5.90 total. Moving on to meal number 3, we are making goulash. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but it is going to cost a little bit over $16, which is a little bit higher. However, with the other 2 meals, it still balances out to about $35. A description of all of the recipes as well as a shopping list will be included in the caption. So definitely feel free to enjoy the video. Feel free to add as much or as little pasta as you want. This is definitely one of those meals that you can pump up by adding additional meat or some more noodles, and it will last you like 2 days, y'all. 2 days for sure. This is what it looks like when it's done. I served it alongside some bread. Feel free to serve it alongside some vegetables, a salad, or some garlic bread. Do you and do what works best for your family. So total, it's about $32. This is curbside pricing. It will be a little bit cheaper in the store. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you follow along for more delicious dinners.